Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got a challenge lock here by FunKey Monkey. It's number 14, March 28th, 2018. And it's a Brava key. Pretty cool bidding. I received this lock from Average Picker. Let's see if we can get in here. It'll go into a false set going counterclockwise. I'm going to see if I can have any better luck going counterclockwise. There. There we go. That's, wow, number 5 is, okay. I think it was 5. That was giving me some trouble. Okay. Nice click. Okay. Not sure what was going on there, but there's 5, and I think 6 might have kind of gone along with it. Let's see. Let's just check everything. I don't think I want to do much to 1. There's 2. Another click out of 2. Not sure if that was 3 or 4. Okay. Need to pay closer attention. That was 3. A little movement on 5. 4 and 5 actually. There we go. That was 6. That felt like it finally went into place there. Oops. What did I just do? Okay, there's 1. I guess 1 was not set. There we go. I think we're open. We'll have to see. I think it might be caught on the vise. Yep, there we go. Awesome. Very good. That took a couple tries. Very nice. I don't believe I've ever picked a FunKey Monkey. Whoops, FunKey Monkey lock before this. There we go. Somehow I didn't have this screwdriver end in all the way, and it fell out when I picked up the screwdriver. Well, that was a fun pick. Like I said, I could get it into a false set going clockwise, and just could not finish it up. I don't think there were any T-pins in there, but we'll assume there may be. Uh-oh. Okay. Wow, that's pretty tight. Oh, man. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to go with something else. All right. Let's see if this one fits better. There. There, the not homemade one fit a little better. Okay. Everything's threaded. There's a T-pin in 1. Looks like 1, 2, and 6. Let's see what we have. Tweezers. Right in front of me. There's a serrated T-pin in 1. A little bit of a reduced diameter in 2. Standard in 3. A really sharp spool with serrations in 4. Get out of there. Get out of there. Another really sharp spool with serrations in 5. And a sharp spool in 6. And up top we've got a shim that I need to remove. I'm going to go for it with this hollow follower. Got a weak spring on number 1, and it's a really, really short guy. Wow. That looks like a master wafer type of pin. And a copper spring. 2. Looks like we have a spool. Nope, serrated. And a steel spring. 3. Ooh, that's a strong spring. Whoa, about lost it. And that's a T-pin with serrations. Steel spring there. I'm going to come to the back. Number 6, we have a serrated, really, really long serrated, and a steel spring. 5, we have another one of those short wafers. I think it came out like that. Steel spring. And number 4. A weaker spring. And really nice. It looks like a commercial spool. I think it's commercial. Not sure. But it's really long. It looks like I cannot tell what kind of spring that is. It looks like it might be copper. And then up top, doesn't look like anything was done to it. I thought there might have been something done to it because it looks like it has grub screws here. I don't see anything. But here we go. Very cool. In 1, we have this nice T-pin. And again, everything's serrated in the plug. Then above it, we have this little guy, and I think it came out facing this way. There's a little tiny nub on the bottom of it. Not sure. I think that's how it came out. I'll try to check. A little bit of a reduced diameter. 2. And above it, this really deep serration, double serrations. Number 3, standard. But above it is definitely anything but standard. It's got this really cool serrated T-pin. Very cool. serrated spool in 4. And above it, this really deep, long spool. 5, another serrated spool, really, really sharp. And above it, I think this one came out this way. Serrated little wafer type of driver. 6, really short spool. And last, but definitely not least, is a serrated spool, and I'm pretty sure it came out that way. Cool. And here we go. That guy, I'm not totally sure if that's how it came out. It might have come out the other way. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll have to try to check. But thank you, FunKey Monkey, for sending this out to everyone to be picked. And thank you to Average Picker, again, for sending everything that you sent to me, including this cool coaster. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Be good and be well.